Hey, this is Jeff. Welcome to Hidden Twisties. Today we're going to take a ride to Cloudcroft, New Mexico. But first I wanted to let you know, I sold the Harley and I got a new bike. We'll talk about the new bike in the next video. This will be the last video with the Heritage Softail. Here it is on its way to its new owner, just a few days ago. So today we're going to leave Alamogordo, New Mexico and go east to Cloudcroft. The reason I'm doing this video is because Cloudcroft is a central point for about 5 other videos that I've filmed. I'll put the playlist up here at the top. So we're going to start in Alamogordo. We're going to go 17 miles east. We're going to climb through what's known as Mexican Canyon and go up the Sacramento Mountains. Here's some weather info for Alamogordo. Keep in mind it's at 4,000 feet, so even though it's hot in the daytime in the summer, it still gets cool at night. Highway 82 starts in Alamogordo and goes all the way to Brunswick, Georgia. Again, we're doing about 17 miles of it. So we're still climbing through Mexican Canyon, and we're about to enter the one and only road tunnel in New Mexico. We're going to climb a little bit more. We're going to enter the Lincoln National Forest. We're very close to it, near Cloudcroft. The scenery changes from rocky, desert-like canyon to eventually a lot of trees and forest. This road does have some traffic later in the day. This is a morning ride that you're seeing, but by 10 or 11 a.m. there's traffic in both directions. Keep your head, keep the speed limit, and just enjoy the scenery. But it is a nice ride. I wouldn't necessarily call it a twisty, but it's entertaining. You just want to use it to get to Cloudcroft, where you can center yourself for several of the other rides that I've videoed. We're going to take a quick stop at the Mexican Trestle Bridge. This is a railroad bridge built about 120 years ago, when the Alamogordo and Sacramento Railway decided they needed a train to bring mining goods and mining equipment up and down the mountains. Now it's just an old defunct bridge, but you can hike down to it, you can climb on parts of it, it's pretty cool. We're only a few miles from Cloudcroft now. The temperature has definitely dropped. As we enter Cloudcroft, I want to point out a few of the places that you might want to visit. But first, let me warn you again that we're at 8,700 feet elevation. The high temperatures, even in the summers, are in the 70s. Dress warm for this ride and all the rides around here. So here's the gas station, Allsup's gas station. It's the only one in town. You're going to want to go there. And then there's a little side street called Burrow Street. And on Burrow Street there's a lot of little shops and restaurants. Everything here is local. There are no franchises. There are several coffee shops. There's a pastry shop in here that's really good. The street's only a few blocks long. There's Ate the Cake. It's got really good desserts. You should definitely stop in there. Before you do anything though, eat at Dave's Cafe. Dave's is a landmark in Cloudcroft, and the food is excellent. And then there's Black Bear Coffee. It's just good straight up coffee. It's a good place to visit. Obviously there's more to Cloudcroft than this little side street. The main avenue of Highway 82's got hotels and restaurants and some other things. But you'll find most of everything you need in this area. Now you know how to get here, and now you know how to access the other rides that I've videoed in the area. I hope to see you up there. Enjoy the ride.